Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off group notifications on Facebook on PC. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to turn off group notifications on Facebook on PC. First, just go to Facebook and then click on your profile icon. After that, click on Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings, and then in the left sidebar, just scroll down, and here, Preferences, click on Notifications, and then just scroll down, and here you see groups, push, email, SMS. Just click on it, and then you see here where you receive groups notifications. I turn on the email and SMS. If you want to turn off SMS, just click on it to turn it off. And if you want to turn off email, just click on it. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to turn off group notifications on Facebook on PC. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.